Hey friends, if you wish to open two Excel files in separate windows, then please watch this video. So first of all, try to understand the meaning. If you want to create a new file, click on File and select New, and then create a new file. But this will be a blank new file. If you want to replicate the existing file, for example, I have some text written here. So if you wish to replicate this file, then here's what you have to do. Go to the View tab. In the window section, click on new window. It will replicate this and create a new file. And see, the only difference between these two files is that it says book1 hash 1 and this one says book1 hash 2. Okay, so suddenly book 1 has this subset for 1 and 2. So this is how you can replicate a file and create it, open it in a new window. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.